What's up, everybody? Stephen Williams, founder and president of the creditrepairshop.com. I'm going to be making these quick videos. It's going to be probably one of my shortest videos just to give you a status update. We've been working with clients, and I will be making this program available to people, but we've been working with clients and we're talking with companies, credit card companies, to see what they're going to be doing to offer relief due to what's going on with this virus situation. And we got a response from American Express. They will be waiving return check fees. They will be waiving interest charges for the period of time that they give the deferment on payments. And they will also do a temporary interest rate reduction. So even if you're paying payments and you don't pay, if you don't pay off your American Express card every month, they will allow you to call them and get an interest rate reduction on the balance that you're going to be carrying during this period of time. I want to say thank you to American Express, because there are some companies that are being, I don't want to say a cuss word right now, but some sorry sacks of you know what, and it starts with a S, that are not withdrawing the interest, or when they do, when they give you the deferment, they're going to still try to rack up interest on there. I'm just going to say that they're pieces of you know what. But American Express, congratulations to them. They are going to, again, real quick, they're going to waive any return check. So if you had to use the check, your money in the bank for something, they're understanding about it. Waive the fees. They're going to waive interest rate charges for a period of time and reduce the monthly payment or a temporary rate reduction if you're going to continue making the payments on the card. We're going to be doing more updates on this. This is Stephen Williams, founder and president of the creditrepairshop.com. Please like this video. We need to get this information to people. If you have an American Express card, contact the financial hardship department, and you can talk to a customer care professional and discuss the options that they have available for this period of time that we're going through. Thank you.